Hello students, in this video we are going to study projection of A on B. So basically the formula is projection of A on B is actually equal to projection P is actually A dot B divided by magnitude of B. This is called as projection of A on B. How to derive this thing? So if you consider further that A dot B is nothing but what? Magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos of angle between A and B divided by magnitude of B. So this will cancel and you will get magnitude of A if it is A, then cos theta. So A cos theta is nothing but what? The projection of vector A on vector B. In the same way, if you want, this is called as projection of vector A on vector B. If you want projection of vector B on vector A, then it is nothing but what? B cos theta. Or you can say A dot B, if you multiply and divide by magnitude of A, then A dot B upon magnitude of A. So like this, you can find out the projection of vector A on vector B. How it is getting derived, you should understand one thing that suppose that this is vector A, what actually the projection means. Suppose this is angle between the two vectors, okay? This is vector B. If you want the projection of vector A on vector B, then basically you have to draw perpendicular this particular thing, this whichever I am doing the linings, this part of vector B is nothing but the projection of vector A on vector B. So how does it differ from vector B? This is entire vector B and this part is B cos theta. It is very clear. Or A cos theta. It is A cos theta. Because the length of the length of the vector segment is becoming A. And if you consider the triangle, okay, and this is entire vector B, but this is nothing but what? This part. Suppose this is P, small p. Then don't you feel that cos theta is actually this P base upon hypotenuse. So hence this P, which is nothing but projection of vector A on vector B, is nothing but P is equal to A cos theta. So like this you can always calculate the projection. This is the basic geometrical interpretation, and how will you calculate the projection of vector on another vector, you can easily find it out. So based on this, one question we can take: angle between two vectors A and B is pi by 6. Angle between A and B vectors is pi by 6. Vector A is 3i minus j plus k and vector B is 2i plus j plus k. Find a projection of vector A on vector B. This is the question. So it is very clear, children, that projection of vector A on vector B is basically what? A cos theta. And that is what we say, that A dot B upon magnitude of B. So either if both the vectors are given, you apply this formula, correct? And if angle between them is given and vector A is only given, then directly apply this formula. So simply it is nothing but what? It is nothing but root of 3 square plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 square plus 1 plus 1 into cos of pi by 6. It is nothing but what? Cos pi by 6 is how much? Cos pi by 6 is how much? Root 3 by 2. But if they are giving like this, but do we know that angle between these two is pi by 6? So hence, if we are giving like this, we should check the validity of the question. So I have given it like this, but suppose angle is not given, then we will not apply this formula. We will not apply this formula. Directly we will apply this formula, because A dot B because you will get another value of the projection, because it does not satisfy. If you can calculate and find it out the value, let us see the projection and find it out. Okay. So we'll get 3 dot 2 is 6 minus 1 plus 1 divided by magnitude of b is root of 4 plus 1 plus 1. So actually we are getting what? Root of 6. So 6 upon root 6, that is root 6 unit, is the magnitude of vector A and upon vector B. If you would have found out through this, then this would have been wrong. Reason being, the angle pi by 6 is not the angle between A and B. This is what you have to consider. Okay. So in this way, you can calculate the projection of one vector on another vector. So take another question. Find the projection of I plus j plus k on vector. Find the position of vector b on vector a, say I minus j. How to calculate? So projection of vector b on vector a. Projection of vector b on vector a is nothing but a dot b upon magnitude of vector a. So a dot b you can easily calculate. It is I dot I, this 1, then minus 1 plus 0. K component of vector a is 0, divided by, or you can do it a dot b. A dot b is same as b dot a. Okay. Then divided by root of 1 square plus minus 1 square. So finally answer is what? 0. So the vector B does not have any projection on vector A. In this way you can calculate the value of projection.